Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce egg pasta. First, gather your essential ingredients like 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and a pinch of salt for the pasta. For the creamy white sauce, you'll need 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/4 cup of flour, and 2 cups of whole milk. Having everything ready at room temperature ensures a smooth process and perfect results. Now, let's make the fresh egg pasta. On a clean surface, create a well with your 2 cups of flour and crack the 2 large eggs directly into the middle. Slowly bring the flour into the eggs, mixing until a shaggy dough comes together. Then, knead the dough for about 8 to 10 minutes. It should transform into a smooth, elastic ball, ready for resting before rolling. Next, we'll prepare the rich white sauce. In a saucepan, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat until it begins to foam. Whisk in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, cooking for about 1 minute to create a smooth roux. This is the base for our sauce. Gradually pour in 2 cups of warm milk, whisking continuously to prevent lumps until the sauce thickens to your desired consistency. Finally, it's time to bring it all together. Cook your fresh egg pasta in a pot of generously salted boiling water for just 2 to 3 minutes, or until it's perfectly al dente. Drain the pasta and immediately toss it directly into your warm white sauce, ensuring every delicious strand is beautifully coated. Serve hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh parsley or Parmesan cheese. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.